Joaquin Agrasot y Juan was born on December 24, 1836, died January 8, 1919. He was a Spanish painter of the realistic style who produced many works in the Costumbrismo genre. His studies began in his hometown and, in 1856, he received a fellowship from the Diputación Provincial de Alicante, the local government. He then enrolled at the Real Academia de Bellas Artes de San Carlos de Valencia, where he studied with the art restorer Francisco Martinez Yago, the father of Salvador Martínez Cubells. In 1860, he had his first showing at an agricultural fair in Alicante, where he was awarded a gold medal.